Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming coverage and that your plan supports higher speeds. This saves wasted steps. Next, power cycle the phone and physically reset the SIM to rule out contact or provisioning faults. Once done, install any carrier or system updates and toggle airplane mode for about 10 seconds to force a fresh network attach. Make sure to remove bulky cases that block antennas and close heavy background apps so the device focuses on re-establishing a clean, faster connection. You now adjust the phone to prioritize speed. Switch the preferred network to LTE or 5G, depending on what your carrier supports, because higher generations generally deliver better throughput. Then, manually scan and select a stronger operator cell if your phone keeps hunting weak towers. This avoids sticky connections. Once done, verify APN settings match carrier specifications and disable background sync for non-critical apps so bandwidth-intensive tasks don't run unnoticed. These changes let the radio and software work together to stabilize peak performance. You finish by testing speeds in several nearby locations to identify dead zones, using wired tethering when you need predictable throughput for important tasks. If inconsistency persists, reset network settings to clear any corrupted configurations, and then reconfigure the APN and network mode. This often resolves lingering software causes. Make sure to try a SIM swap or contact carrier support before buying hardware. If things still fail, one key troubleshooting tip: reinsert the SIM.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.